Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to reinstall multiple owned apps in bulk on Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store. Your Google account keeps track of all apps you have ever purchased or installed. This is great for when you update to a new device and want to restore a bunch of your apps, but searching for and installing them one by one can be a huge pain. To remove this pain, I want to help you here. Fortunately, Google have a better way. In the Play Store app, tap on your profile icon, select Manage Apps and Devices. Here you will find click on Manage. Here you will find all the apps which you have ever used, purchased or downloaded on your device. From here you can filter by installed and not installed. Click on not installed. Here you will find all the not installed apps which you have ever used on your device. From here, select the app which you want to install. Tap the download icon at the top. Then Play Store will automatically reinstall your owned apps in bulk. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.